Hey girl, this goes out to the beautiful girls. Which one of y'all? Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Which one? Which one of y'all?
And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm beside myself to keep playing this record back over and over again.
Rock and roll sushi.
You on scene, think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you need.
Yeah, we have. Yeah, I'm getting this. I'm getting out. Okay, come on, sir. We can go. This the menu, y'all. They got options. Ready to order electric. After 30 years, we got the good. Camilla's. And this is mine. Ooh. It's nice and warm. I'm so excited.
Should I move on since no one's here?
With the jalapenos.
This is so good. I could have got another one. I should have got two.
You know, bitch, you gotta go.
I ain't finna be sitting there.
Y'all, I'm doing my social media cleans. I no longer have Instagram. I'm only keeping TikTok because I'm gonna try to get back on my TikTok shit. But what?
I just thought you gonna download this shit tonight or something.
No, I'm not. I promise you, I'm not.
She always showing her ass. Put that shit up. I want to make these so bad. Lasagna rolls without the fucking salmon. That just threw me off.
Oh, I want me some stuffed salmon right now. The only thing rock and roll sushi is missing is a hookah. Are you passing it? Bitch, you passing out those
Whoa.
Who won't smoke me? Who won't smoke me? Who won't smoke me? Nigga, who won't smoke me?
A few moments later.
You know what you got is good, that's why.
What you eating? Oh, that's not a medium. Miller, you getting that big ass bag of chips? This bitch is crazy. Oh my. What chips going? Hot Cheetos? I've been eating hot Cheetos too much lately, but I'm gonna get them anyways. No, I'm not. Yeah, I am. He said, "Is that a cup of ice?" I wanted to laugh so bad. He asked, "Was that a cup of ice?" He's talking about yes, and he got a whole straw in it.
Stuff your cookies up, really humble. Don't be acting like the Cardinals don't rumble. Cause I'm a stealer, fresh this out the dealer. All the dope boys gon' feel her. Love so sick, I need a healer. Fuck this boy, my concealer. I be out in here. Bitch, I'm getting the munchies. I think I have a rap bitch for my untried. Maybe think the nigga spits, bitch, shine my shoes. You know I keep a bad.
Juicy fruit. Juicy.
I'm the only thing hopping like a kangaroo. I mean the only thing popping like a can of brew. Listen, you should buy the 16 cause I write a drug. The 808 woof woof cause I write it good. And bitches can't funny me cause I write it good. I'm no wolf, whoever that I write it up.
Ooh, oh hell no, y'all. People hunking that ass. Oh my God. That is crazy as fuck for you to do that to somebody, like for real.
Already paid the poke. Niggas too scared to go.
doing it, y'all. Y'all, look. Oh, God. He got cats in here. You good, my boy?
I'm a ride. The Phantom Rose body is what? I made the boy beat at the was. I put some more rocks in the watch. Middle finger to the cops.
Y'all, me and Camilla, we got off.
Not surprised.
Think I gave me a shot. They say much they thought
Oh, I had to pee so bad. Ah, fuck. Wow. Alright, y'all, we finna end the night off.
Hey girl, this goes out to the beautiful girls. Which one of y'all? Hey girl, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Which one? Which one of y'all? Which one of y'all going home with Trigger? I see you in the club, who shouted? Walking past and looking at me all naughty. Then I said, baby, what's up?